Good morning. Well, not a lot happened yesterday. We saw highs of 72, 72, 72, 76 and lows of 72, 34. So it was a bit boring. Nothing really happened. Thursday's always quite a good day. It's Friday the 13th tomorrow. So those of us that are a bit, we don't really want to trade that much on Friday the 13th. Anyway, that's another thing. Now, as we haven't been able to get above that area, okay, we seem to have a little bit of a problem. So what we could do is, because the daily charts are so overbought, it would be nice if FTSE would come down, see that 71, 72 area, and even this at 71.06, that would be really, really good, because then you would genuinely have this base pattern. We haven't as yet. It's just gone up from here. So we need a bit of correction back to here, or we can say, yes, we've got a inverse head and shoulder pattern that would suggest that we keep trading higher. And, we can trade higher. There's no reason why we can't. As I've said to you over and over, this is a bull market correction only. We haven't taken out any significant levels on the downside for any length of time. So if I pop you over to the weekly chart, yes, we did take out this trend line, which was our first sign that something was wrong with the FTSE. We saw that head and shoulder in the daily chart. So, it was around this area, as you can see. So on the dailies, it was blatantly obvious. But once we broke through here, it was like World War III had happened and down we came. Yes, we've missed all the overnight moves because my charts don't get them. So my charts look quite orderly. But you can see at the weeklies, if you see, look, they're just turning higher. They've turned higher this week. So longer term traders are going to be looking at this. They're not going to be looking at the intraday 10, 20 pips because they don't trade like that. Okay? Well, they position take. And there really is, and they're all going to be looking at the same things I am. They're going to be looking at, well, if we come down to X, 71, 72, 71, 06, 04, 05, that sort of area, they're looking to buy again. That is what they will do, because you can see, yeah, we broke through the 72.48 first Fibonacci level. Yes, but we even broke through the 38.2, but not the big one. The big 38.2 going back is 61.36. So, we've got to get things into perspective. We really, really have. This hasn't broken through any significant levels. As you can see, we've got the first major fib at 67.68. Well, we didn't get there. We did break our little one that we're looking at, but, this is a bull market correction only at this stage. It really is. I've said over and over. So let's pop you back to the daily. Now, in bull market corrections, they're horrible. The 2016 one was a pig. But if you just take your time, look at your levels and wait, then, you can make money out of these. The trouble with it is now you've got everybody wanting to be short because they can see that the last few days, from February up till now, you've made money being short. I understand that. But bear in mind that these bull market corrections are really quite fierce, and the market does eventually take its own way. And the own way for FTSE, I can see, is you're buying dips now, whereas before you were selling rallies from like the beginning of the year. You're not. It's over. We've done it. So now we're going to look to buy dips, and that 71, 72 area down to 71, 05, 04, 06, anything there is where you're going to see the big guns come in and buy it, because they are looking at this pattern. All right. Now, if we close above 72.48 on a weekly basis, we are going to be okay. You know, I think that the market will get more bid up next week. Okay, guys, thanks a lot.